First, let's get our materials, which are the cables, 2 pieces of RJ45, stripping tool or stripper, crimping tool, and the tester. By the way, I am Jomer Llano. Now, kunin natin ang ating cable at ang stripper at ilagay natin siya sa unang lagayan kung saan siya magkakasya. At ikutin natin ang ating cable upang maputol ito. Or pwede rin naman ang mismong stripper ang iikot natin. Like this. At kapag natanggal natin ang balat ay i-scatter natin siya upang hindi magulo sa ating next step. This is Ryza May Dullete and in-arrange niya yung mga wire base dun sa mga kulay pagkakasunod-sunod nila. If tapos na tayo yung pagsunod-sunod rin sila base sa mga kulay nila, ay gugupitin po natin sila at para magpantay sila.
My name is Ryna Via Arguelles. Now, after cutting up the wires, double check if the color codes of each wires are correct. Make sure that the RJ45 is facing downwards. Take note that the first color of the wire should be at the left side of the RJ45. Make sure to push down the wires deeply inside the RJ45 so that it would be crimped properly.
Hello, I'm Christalyn Mae Manalang, and now we will crimp our cable. We need our crimping tool and insert the cable with the RJ45 inside the gap or between. Then crimp or press the handles tightly and with force so that the pins will press on the wires. Now, the other end of the cable, we will strip it again with the wire stripper. Just insert the cable and then rotate or turn the wire stripper and then remove.
I'm Nicole Lemonsito. Ang gagaayos sa mga wire according sa straight through cable color. Una yung white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, and brown.
This is Jaztine Maglonzo. Ipinagsusunod-sunod niya ang mga wires base sa mga kulay nito. Kapag naka-range na sila ay gupitin natin sila gamit ang crimping tool upang pantay.
Hi, I am Almira Bonifacio. Now, I will show you how to insert the wire into the RJ45. Hold the RJ45 plug with the clip facing down or away from you and push the wires firmly into the plug. If it's already inserted, double check again and check the jacket is fitted right against the stop of the plug. After that, carefully hold the wire and firmly crimp the RJ45 with a crimper. Then check the color orientation, check that the crimp connection is not about to come apart, and check to see if the wires are flat against the front of the plug. If even one of this is incorrect, repeat all the steps. Now we already finished all the steps. Now let's test it into the land tester. As you can see, lahat ng umiilaw, lahat ng ilaw is tuloy-tuloy, which means gumana siya. Kapag ang isang pin like pin 1 or pin 3 ay hindi umilaw, ibig sabihin nun may mali dun sa wiring.